Hey guys, welcome back. Updates on the R32 GTR. I've actually been doing a lot of the boring stuff off camera, like painting stuff and all that jazz. It's been freezing. I haven't been really videoing, but I'm gonna start videoing again, really. So yeah, updates on the RB26. I pulled the turbos off and I was hoping they were the steel wheels or at least upgraded. Unfortunately, they're the ceramic wheeled ones, so they're not blown or anything. They're still good. But yeah, so I'll definitely have to upgrade them. I can tell you something about what I got for it later. There's all the lines and stuff. The thing with the RB26 is, because it's twins, they're very annoying to take off. You have to take the rear one off first, rear dump and all that. Then you move on to the front dump, then the front turbo. And yeah, it's just a bit of a process, but I got it all off. The reason I took them off, I was meant to video that, but there was some cheap, this is what I'm telling you later. There was some cheap steel wheel turbos that came up for sale, and I quickly just took them off to suss them out if I needed them, and I did. So that's what I purchased. And coming over here into this box, these are the new turbos for it. They are the stock R33 GTR turbos, but they are obviously ceramic wheels, but these have been rebuilt to OEM spec, but with Garrett cores with steel rear wheels. So now I can run, I don't know, 20 PSI, whatever it flows. I think it'll probably only flow 16 PSI. But I'll run it up as much as I can, and I won't have to worry about the ceramic wheels coming off. They're like brand spanking new. Very nice. If you can see that rear wheel, doesn't have that ceramic nut on it. Well, yeah, it's steel. But yeah, I got these cheap. I got the pair for $500, which is why I'm like, you know, let's pull these turbos off ASAP. Make sure I don't have metal wheels already, and get them. So I did. Coming on this side of the block, it's a bit weird, but someone's changed all the Welsh plugs recently. All the Welsh plugs have been changed. I don't know why. That was the only thing that was changed. Weird. Maybe they had some exhaust leaks. Maybe some studs were snapped. Not too sure. That happens quite often on the RB motors. And the gaskets don't look that old either. Have a look at this. Oh, if it wants to come off. Okay. Well, this is a waste of time. It's not even important. But yeah, not too old at all. But I got all new gaskets. I got a full gasket kit for the motor, because I'll be pulling the head off. And I got a fresh head gasket. I got ARP head studs. And I'm going to get the head sent off to get like the valves checked for leaks and stuff. And then once that's off, I can check the pistons or the rings and bearings in the bottom end. Coming to the chassis, remember I had some rust up here. It's all fixed. It's been rust treated. I cut out the bad bits and I've re-welded it and rust treated under here as well. It's come up really nice. I'll go to the other side. Literally everything that I've taken off, I've painted. So like, for example, I had the K-frame off and I got it sandblasted and powder coated. It didn't have bad rust, but it was just like surface rust everywhere. So it's looking pretty sweet. I didn't really spray the engine bay too much. I did do the back wall. I left all this area just to make it look OEM. I didn't want to do too much, but fixed this. That was leaking. Brake booster's been painted. It's over there. Had to order a new clutch master because it was leaking badly. It was actually a pool of brake fluid in here, which was really weird. The clutch master was, the brake master was also leaking, so I got that on order, and that's coming. I've cleaned up all the lines. This cleaned up with some steel wool, really nice. Everything's looking real good. Remember the rust in this section? Treated it all and sanded it back. There was a section here I cut out and I re-welded in really nice, and I've repainted it all. Everything's been treated. It actually took a long time and I couldn't be bothered filming. It was just, yeah, a lot of effort. Coming over here, I've rust treated those little spots here. Remember that rust spot here? It's all fixed now. New paint all throughout. I used the underbody kind of coat. I got it over here. Oh no, I actually threw it out, but it's that other underbody coating just in black. So I redid all under there. It looks amazing. Came out. I spent a long time on it. So yeah, cleaned up all these pipings. Actually cleaned up the blow-off valves as well, and all the hoses.
They say you don't gotta go home, but you can't stay here. And no, I don't wanna be alone in the world out
I was just time-lapsing, but I'm going to stop there because I noticed the dust shields, or the rock shields for the discs, are a bit rusty. It's not actually too bad, but I'm going to tape up the hub and I want to just spray them. I want to spray these with like some coat of black paint, just so it's just a bit nicer, because everything's coming up really nice, really good. Okay, this side's pretty much all done. Got the Nismo strut in there, Nismo camber arm. That's painted now. I'm going to put the shafts in last. I just want this car to be rolling so I can move it around. Everything's just really nice because all the new bushes. But I did buy some new discs for it. I didn't get anything fancy. I just got some RDA OEM replacement. I'll put these on now, so then I can put the wheel on that side. But yeah, just OEM replacement. The ones on it seemed a bit undersized, so that's why I bought a full set of them. But yeah, now I'll get to the other side. I probably won't even time-lapse this, it's the exact same thing. So I'm just going to finish it now. It's done. Other side's done. I just need to wait for the steering rack bushes. I can put the steering rack in. Then I got steering again. And then I can put it to the side. And I can, once that stuff comes, I can put it all on. Oh. Okay, sorry for the sudden change, but we're inside now. This is my computer room where I do the editing on a 10-year-old computer with a 2-year-old case. Anyway, this is all the footage I have. We're up to 10 minutes on this video, so I'm going to wrap it up here. And in the next video, we're going to be pulling apart the RB26. There's a few problems, so stay tuned. It's already filmed, so I just need to edit it, and it should be uploaded in the next week or two. So yeah, I hope you're looking forward to it. Bye.